convert correctly the nearest centimetre in scientific notation. Centimetres. So kilometres to centimetres. Kilometres to centimetres, we need to multiply by 1,000 and we need to multiply by 100, like that. Which means we get 5 zeros after the 7, so 7 times 10 to the power of 5. Well, what I'm going to be doing is kilometres to centimetres, do the same thing, 1,000 times 100. And then watch out for where you put the decimal. It's going to be like that. You're going to get 2 zeros after the 4. If you put the decimal after the 1 there, we need to multiply 10 to the power of 4 to get back to the original spot. So that's my answer in scientific notation. And kilometres to centimetres again, times by 1,000, times by 100, which means we're going to get those many zeros after the 2. So put your decimal after the 4, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times to the right, so 10 to the power of 6. Okay, convert to kilometres. So centimetres to kilometres is the same thing, but this time we're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, so we must divide. So divide by 100 and divide by 1,000. And then you should get a little decimal number like that, 0.003. And in scientific notation, we always want to put the decimal after the first non-zero number. So I'm going to put the decimal there, which means I need to go back 1, 2, 3 times to go back to the original spot. So it's going to be 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3 because we're going backwards. Remember, when we go backwards, we need to multiply 10 to the power of a negative number. 4 centimetres. All right, kilometres, again, 100 first and then 1,000. Make sure you're dividing and get a really small decimal like that. So put the decimal after the 4 and we need to move back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So 10 to the power of negative 5, okay? Again, negative. Watch out for that. Centimetres to kilometres, divide by 100, divide by 1,000. And then you get a really, really big, small decimal number. It's a very small number, isn't it? Very close to 0. So again, put the decimal in front of 2, and guys, count yourself how many places we need to go backwards. I got 7. So 2 times 10 to the power of negative 7. Okay,